Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha kalaitrik unay luar araja apusan ka Frank Yamaha kabade kaway na ka company di Shaka kabapaw namha ha kajela kalapalat Paidbah ya ka Yamaha Re ZR 125 Phi Hybrid ha ka program kabalapulong ha courtyard by Marriott ha kani kasi ladon lang ru uba endon lang pasa utra jong ka Frank Yamaha uba arman ki pasa ubade u customer relationship manager kakong Eva Rika Lingdo ka General Manager kinong tray bat ki ba siya akot ngobha kani ka scooty ba Thymmai jong ka Re ZR 125 Phi Hybrid lawan ha karong ka ba itanan bat ka ba Thymmai ringkat bat ka kwe ka hybrid assist key features ba Thymmai ki kantop ya ka Yamaha Y Connect smartphone app integration smart motor generator lani ka silent start nakabenta kinong thiet kandan ka puja offer nakabenta ubanay nay luar arhaja apusan but onyo eka discount kabashpo hajar shipoting ka ringkat kijing ay ngobha but ka scratch and win contest ka Frank Yamaha kabalaseng haus nem arhaja pra kalala ban pinkha hadu khat artli ki showroom kaleng ka jela balala ban de shapalat saupo hajar ngut kinong de
Style, performance and innovation, the very pillars Yamaha has always stood for. The new Razor R125 Fi Hybrid represents the spirit of today's youth, bold, energetic and always ready to stand out. At Frank Yamaha, our journey of 16 years has always been driven by one principle, a simple belief, that is to deliver more than machines. We deliver trust, excitement, and unforgettable experiences. And with this new Razor R lineup, we continue this mission, bringing to the riders in Meghalaya a scooter that is funkier, more feature-packed, and performance-driven than ever before. A very heartfelt thank you to the Yamaha India for their continuous support, for entrusting upon us this and giving us this opportunity to present this amazing 2025 Yamaha lineup to our customers here.
Fill us with immense pride and gratitude. Since the launch of the Yamaha Re in 2012, the people of Meghalaya have given it their overwhelming love and trust. Over these years, we at Frank Yamaha have sold more than 30,000 race scooters across the state. This is not just a number, it's a reflection of the bond Yamaha has built with the people of Meghalaya. The Re has become the favorite scooter of our state, known for its reliability, fuel efficiency and easy handling. Its lightweight design makes it extremely popular among our female riders, empowering them with confidence and comfort on every ride. Today, with the launch of the 2025 Razor R lineup, we are excited to carry the legacy forward. We are confident that the new features, from the quicker hybrid assist to the fresh and vibrant colors, will make the Razor R even more irresistible to our customers. Our plan at Frank Yamaha is simple: to continue providing not just scooters but trust, convenience and happiness. We will strengthen our after-sales service, expand our reach across Meghalaya and ensure every customer feel proud to own a Yamaha. With your continued support, we believe that the 2025 Razor R will also not just meet expectations, it will exceed them. Together, let's make this the most loved scooter in Meghalaya for many more years to come. Thank you.
Here it is, the 2025 Yamaha Razor R 125 Fi Hybrid. This isn't just a scooter, it is a smarter, bolder and more excited ride. So let me go through what makes it stand out. Enhanced power assist. They update mild hybrid system which can generate an extra burst of power the moment you twist the throttle. That means faster acceleration from the standstill and smoother overtakes and overall super ride, perfect for the city street. Fresh and vibrant color. Yamaha knows styles matter. The new Razor R 125 lineups comes in a funkier, sportier shade and match your personality. From bold metallic tones to striking shade, it designs to turn head wherever you go. Futuristic features. Along with the sporty looks and design, the Razor R packs in advanced techs like fully digital console, Bluetooth-enabled Y-Connect, smart motor generator, and exceptional fuel efficiency for an economical ride and enjoyable ride. So, the 2025 Yamaha Razor R 125 Fi Hybrid transcends a definition of a mere scooter. It embodies style, intelligence, and performance. Thank you.